Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to our maths class. Today, we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 10, Time. What is time? The gap or the difference between then and now is called time. To know exactly how much time has passed, we need to calculate time by reading a clock or a calendar. In clock, we have three hands. The smallest hand is known as an hour hand. The biggest hand is known as a second hand. And the middle one is known as a minute hand. Students, we know that when the minute hand moves from one number to the next number, 5 minutes have passed. The dots or markings between the two numbers represent a minute. As the minute hand moves from one dot to the next dot, 1 minute has passed. Reading time to the exact minute. The hour hand is at 10, whereas the minute hand is 2 markings ahead of 3. Hence, the time shown is 15 minutes plus 2 minutes, that is 17 minutes. So, our time is 10 hours 17 minutes. Time in AM and PM. AM stands for anti-meridian, whereas PM stands for post-meridian. We know that the hour hand goes around the clock twice a day. It shows the same time twice a day. Therefore, 24-hour day is divided into two periods, that is, morning and evening. Let us take one example to understand it. In the first clock, the time is 9 o'clock. As it is morning, so we will write 9 a.m. In the second clock, the time is same, that is 9 o'clock. But it is in the evening, so we write it as 9 p.m. Remember, my dear students, the time at 12 o'clock at night is called 12 midnight, whereas the time at 12 o'clock in the daytime is called 12 noon. We do not write AM or PM with 12. So, the time between 12 midnight and 12 noon is denoted as AM, and the time between 12 noon to 12 midnight is denoted as PM. Points to remember: 12 midnight to 12 noon is denoted by AM, whereas 12 noon to 12 midnight is denoted by PM. We do not use AM or PM with 12. Remember to change AM to PM and PM to AM when we cross 12.